Hi everyone, I wanted to come in here today and do the mini brands fill the fridge. And I got two of them. I got these off of walmart.com. And then I got the fridge. I already opened it up. I got too excited and I didn't wait. I opened it up and it came with this watermelon magnet, which I thought was cute. And then there's going to be lighting, so sorry guys if it's bright. It lights up, which I think is cute. I had to put, it comes with the shelves, obviously, but I had to put them in. And, but I also thought this was really cute. It's a Olipop strawberry vanilla that it came with. Oh, focus. All right, there we go. So I thought that was really cute. And I love that it has a light. And then also the light, you can switch it in the back and it'll have a blue light. But I don't want to do that because it is really bright and I don't want to blind you guys. And then it has down here a little freezer. And it came with a, little scooper for the ice. So, I wanted to come on here and do, open up mini brands with you guys. And I do have two more coming. So I want to do some more later on. But, I will, like in the next week or two. But I wanted to, come and open these up on camera. It's hard to open. I wish I had like a desk or a table to sit at, but unfortunately I don't. I got rid of my desk a while ago. So right now I have to just sit on my bed. Hopefully I can get another better setup. Because I wanted to prop it up where you guys could see it. Okay, let me pause this because I'm going to try and get this part off. It's hard. Okay guys, I hope this is a better view. I just wanted you guys to see this as I'm putting it in. Putting the little things in. So I got it halfway off. And so the first thing I see is the thing that tells us what we're gonna, what we can get, and then we can check it off as we go, which is great. So now I can, because I want to collect all of them if I can. So we'll start with this one. It is broccoli. Oh, that's cute. And then on that side it says, sorry guys. Broccoli. That is cute. Okay. The next one. Oh, this one's hard to get open. Okay, there we go. The next one. Oh, this is adorable. It is Kraft Singles cheese. That is so cute. Okay. This one is a turmeric shot. And the next one. This is oats jar. Okay, so it's a little jar of oats. This is what it looks like. I thought it looked more like yogurt, but that's cute. Okay. I like that they put to me they put a lot in here. So they put like 2 or 1. Oh, here it is. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Hershey's syrup. That is really cute. I don't know if you guys can see. Can you guys see that? Oh, no, you can't. Man. I'll show them as I put it in the fridge. At the end. What's this? Oh, it's another little magnet. Okay, so in the little thing, it's a little magnet for the fridge. And what is it, though? I can't tell what it is. Someone can tell me, please do. But I'll go ahead and put it on the fridge. Oh, this is really cute. Bagel bites. I used to get these when I was little. Oh, that is so adorable. Okay, so now that was it on this one. On to the next, and I'm so excited. I'm glad I got 2. And then I'm gonna and then I got 2 more coming in the mail. I ordered 2 off of Amazon a couple of days ago, but I got impatient, so I ordered 2 off of Walmart because I wanted to do it today. And plus I'm gonna need more than 2 anyways to collect all these, or at least try to collect them all. So I'm gonna do these again during the week. My word, but they're hard to get open. Hold on. Okay, I'm back and I got it off. Okay, start with this one. Oh, don't tell me we have a duplicate. Oh my gosh, we do, the turmeric shot. That's not my favorite. That's the least favorite of mine. Dang it. I hope we don't have duplicates all in here. Oh, here's a magnet though, it's different. I need glasses, but it looks like a painting. But I actually really do need glasses. So if anybody can see what that is, please tell me. I can't see what's on the photo. I'll put it there though. I love that it does come with magnets. It just adds to the cuteness. Oh, okay, good. We got a different one. Okay, this one is a frozen chicken. Oh, this is adorable. That is really cute. Glad I have something now to put in the freezer. Oh, I got something else. I think this is... Put this in the freezer. No. But this is cute. It's eggplant. Alright, so far we only got 1 duplicate. Oh my word, this mini Jellos. Oh, sorry guys. Hopefully you can see me open them on the camera. Sorry. Oh, this one's hard to get open. Oh, it's flat. I'm afraid I'm going to rip it. It's hard to get open. There we go. What's this one? This is Morning Farms. I guess it's like, this is the veggie patties. I used to eat these. that in it. Just making sure before I throw them out. Okay, and unfortunately we have one more. I can't wait for the other ones to come in. Ooh. But thank goodness no duplicates. Well, except for that one. And this one is a Jello, but it is vanilla. So it's different. So that's cute. I'm glad I have both of them now. That's really cute. So, and again, it comes with the thing to check it off. So, I am so glad that I finally did this. I've been watching people online do it, and I really